Hello. These instructions are for installing the traditional shaker wall kit. This kit is suitable for a span of 2.4 meters. However, it can be cut down for shorter runs. If your run is greater than 2.4 meters, you will need additional kits. Before you begin, please ensure you have all the components listed. Make sure you have the right tools for the job. You will need a tape measure, a pencil, a level, some adhesive, a saw, and also a nail gun. Measure 1 meter up from the skirting. Draw a horizontal line at this height across your wall. This is where the top edge of the top strip will sit. Measure the length of your wall and cut the bottom and top strips to length. Apply adhesive to both strips. Align the bottom strip with the top of the skirting and secure with a nail gun. Align the top strip so that the top edge is aligned with the horizontal line you marked on the wall, and then secure with a nail gun. To work out the distance between the vertical strips, deduct the width of an upright strip from the length of the wall. So, in our case, 2,400 minus 63 equals 2,337. Divide this amount by 390 and we get 5.99. Round this up to the next whole number and we have 6. Next, divide 2,337 by 6 and we get 389.5. This is the distance between the center of each upright. Now we deduct the width of an upright from that amount, which in our case is 389.5 minus 63, which equals 326.5. That is the distance between each upright. Now, measure the distance between the top and bottom strips and cut all of the uprights to this length. Apply adhesive to 2 of the strips and offer them up between the top and bottom strips, placing one at each end of the run. Check that they're vertical using a level and then secure them with a nail gun. Measure from the edge of one of the vertical strips the gap distance, which we previously worked out, and mark on the wall. Apply adhesive to a vertical strip and offer it up to the other side of the mark. Check that it's vertical by using a level and then secure it with a nail gun. Repeat this process for the remaining vertical strips. Measure, mark, and cut all horizontal strips to length so that they fit in between the vertical strips. Measure down 240 mm from the bottom of the top strip and mark on the wall. Apply adhesive to a horizontal strip and offer it into position with the top of the strip touching the mark we just made on the wall. Then secure it with a nail gun. Repeat this process for the remaining horizontal strips. Cut the decorative and capping moldings to length. Offer the decorative molding to the front of the top strip so that the top of the molding is flush with the top of the strip. Secure it using a nail gun. Offer the capping mold on top of the decorative molding and top strip and secure it using a nail gun. Once all your panels are on the wall, fill any gaps and joints with decorator's cork, wiping away any excess with a damp cloth. Once the cork has dried, send it to a smooth finish, then you'll be ready to paint. Once it's painted, it'll be time to stand back and admire your work.